Guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you 2022 Bobcat T770 M Series rubber track skid steer loader. This unit has 733 original hours on it, guys. It's a very, very nice machine. It is cab heat air, selectable joystick control, auto level. Does have the 18-inch wide track on it, power quick attach. These are a 92 horse machine, 3,475 pound of lift. This machine, the white paint is all original. The only thing that's been painted is the bottom undercarriage. It was just scratched up. Back door is original, guys. It does have an OEM 80-inch Bobcat tooth bucket with it. It's a very, very good running, working machine. We're going to start you back here in the back door and take you completely around this machine. You can see here the back door is nice and straight. It is not bent or twisted or anything like that. It is very clean. It is original paint to the machine. There's a couple scratches and scrapes, but it's been very, very, very nice shape. In the back door here, you are going to be powered by the Bobcat D34 engine. These are a 92 horsepower machine, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature whatsoever. 732 hours, we did a full service. All filters and oils have been changed. Engine oil, fuel, air, hydraulic, cabin filters, final drive hub oils have all been done. Very, very good, very clean machine. All the hose holders up on the back of the boom are nice and straight and square. Coming around this machine, you'll see on the sides, side frames are very nice. Down in here is in very, very nice shape on both sides. White paint there is all original. We did just put two brand new 18-inch wide tracks on it. Again, 80-inch OEM Kubota or a Bobcat tooth bucket in very nice shape. Original to the machine. Power quick attach, auxiliary hydraulics, 23 gallons a minute. Again, this is selectable joystick control. Suspension, vinyl seat. Inside the cab, you can see it's very clean. Top of the cab's nice and square. Heading inside. Be a keyed machine. We'll start it here for you and show you some stuff. You have your selection of ISO or H pattern. You have your power bob attach, throttle, key and throttle. You have your foot throttle, joysticks, cab heat air, all works. 733 hours. Tachometer, voltmeter, drive response. This is what's called speed drift. You can adjust your tracking. No error codes. Does have auto idle. Does have the auto level feature. Again, machine has 3,475 pound of lift capacity. Again, 92 horse. All the windows and the glass are inside the cab. Guys, I really like nice clean stuff. This is a very, very, very nice clean machine. It is a very sharp looking loader. M series loaders have these nice adjustable handles here inside the cab. We're going to go ahead and fire this machine up. I'm going to run it around and show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So as many of you know that watch my videos know that I own a 770 myself. I have one that has almost 4,000 hours on it. And I absolutely love my 770s. I think they are a hoss of a machine. They will go to work. They will push as much as a little 450 H-dozer will. There's no BS. They're an incredible little machine. How well they'll strip topsoil, load trucks. It's just very, very amazing little machine. Again, 92 horse. It's going to weigh in approximately, I think, 11.5 off the top of my head. So again, this is a joystick machine. So what's nice about it, all hand operation. I can switch this to run it on what is called the old style case H pattern. If you need to do that, you can. By simply flipping a switch. Counter rotate the tracks. tank. The M series loader, as far as I'm concerned, probably one of the best Bobcat built. Very, very good machine. You know, the G's and the K's, that's what Bobcat's truthfully known for. They were probably arguably some of the best Bobcat ever built of those eras. You know, these M's come along and just some big changes that they've done. Basically with the cab and just control system and just the way they designed it, even the travel motors. This has the later style Rex Roth drive motor in it, which has an outboard brake system. It's absolutely a wonderful drive motor. It uses a bigger duocone seal just like you'd see in an excavator. Very reliable drive system. So, again, if you're looking for a nice clean machine, here's a machine to take a look at. It's a big lift, big lifting capacity, big lift height machine too. So that's something there to take a look at. What I like about these loaders is they're easy to work on, easy to maintain, and truthfully, you can run a pile of different attachments on them. Whether you want to run a brush cutter, you want to get into running an auger drive and a rock hound, you want to run a sweeper on it, post pounder, you have that ability with this particular machine to run all those different things that you're looking to do. You've got your standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. You've got your wide track, which is very, very nice if you're in the mud. You want your wide tracks, your flotation. Big thing is with this machine, you've got the horsepower. Being 92 horse in this chassis size, you can get so much done. Not a fan of an 870. I've owned some of them. I actually had one I used for about 8 months for myself. That's why I own a 770. I didn't feel that the power to weight ratio was there, in my opinion, of an 870. I had a late model 21 that I was running. That's just my opinion. This machine is going to have snail mode. I just put it in snail mode. And I'll tone that down. I've got the joystick clear forward, and I'm just adjusting that. Now I'll take it and adjust it up. Picking up speed. Same in reverse. I'm going to adjust down. I've got the stick stroked the whole way forward. I'm at 1. You can see it's just creeping. I will take it out of snail mode and right back into standard. Got your true power Bobcat. Bobcat's had that forever. Never had any type of electrical over hydraulic bull crap. They've always had the good true power quick attach, which is nice. You can see that I'm running this machine on ISO controls. Okay, all I gotta do now is go to H, reset, right side, left side, boom up, boom down, uncurl, curl. Okay. Swap back over now. OEM Bobcat bucket, guys. Always make sure that you are hooked in. Like right now, I didn't hit just right. Make sure that your pins and your wedges all drop through. Something you just gotta lift up and make sure you did fall back through. going to have auto level. Guys, there it is. Very good running working machine, 733 original hours. Cab heat air works great, ice cold. Guys, service ready to go to work. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much. As always, checking out Mark Supply Company. If you are looking for attachments, different things of that nature for this machine, let us know. We are the Northeast CID dealer and distributor for all kinds of quality skid loader attachments. We do represent Vernig and Erskine also. If we can help you, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.